Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. 90 simple phrases for communication. How are you doing this beautiful morning today? Can you please say that one more time? What do you usually do on weekends? I really like your sense of humor. Could you help me find this place? I am still learning English. Please be patient. I have not seen you for so long. That is a great idea. Let us try it. I completely agree with what you said. I really enjoyed talking with you today. Do you want to grab a coffee later? I am sorry, I did not quite understand that. I am trying to eat healthier these days. What kind of music do you like? I am just looking. Thank you very much. How was your weekend? Did you relax? I cannot believe how time flies fast. It has been such a long day today. I am very happy to see you again. Could you please repeat what you just said? I really appreciate your help and your kindness. What do you think about this situation? I am planning to travel abroad next year. It is nice to meet you in person. I would love to help you with that. The weather today is really beautiful and warm. I do not have much free time today. Could you please pass me the salt? I am learning English to improve my communication skills. It is always good to see familiar faces. I am not sure what you really mean. I need a few minutes to finish this. Do you know where the nearest cafe is? I am so tired after such a busy day. It was really nice talking to you today. I am trying to be more organized this week. I am happy that everything turned out well. Please let me know if you need help. I really love spending time with my friends. I think communication is very important in relationships. What do you usually have for breakfast? I am looking forward to seeing you soon. I feel much better after a good sleep. I am glad we decided to come here. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. I need to buy some groceries after work. I am trying to stay positive every single day. Could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? I really enjoy learning something new every day. It is important to stay calm under pressure. I hope everything will be fine with you. I am so glad that you called me today. The movie we watched yesterday was really great. I think I need some rest and relaxation. What time do you usually go to bed? I am happy we had this conversation today. I like to start my day with coffee. I feel very tired after working all day. I hope to visit that place someday soon. I want to learn more about your culture. It was a pleasure meeting you today. I am really excited about the upcoming trip. Let us go for a walk in the park. I think we should take a short break. Please speak a little slower. I am learning. I am so thankful for your understanding today. It feels good to spend time outdoors. I would like to order a cup of coffee. I really admire how calm you always are. What do you usually do after work? I am happy that you liked my idea. It is a beautiful day to go outside. I do not know the answer to that question. I would like to visit you next weekend. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you very much for your kind words. I am really proud of what we achieved. I will see you again very soon, friend. I love listening to music in the evening. I need some time to think about it. Let us stay in touch and talk again soon. I am really glad we became good friends. Could you please tell me the time now? I like spending quiet evenings at home. I need to finish this work before lunch. What are your plans for the next weekend? I am learning to speak English more confidently. It is important to listen carefully to others. I enjoy watching movies with my family. I am trying to wake up earlier every day. I hope to see you again very soon. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.